Hey hi, this is Manu from BBC TechTube and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to unbox Oppo Enco W31 and also we will discuss different features we are getting in this TWS. So before getting started, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and also press on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get unbox it. So guys, here it is, Oppo Enco W31. Actually, I got a black variant. You can also order white variant. Actually, they're providing two variants, black and white also. So I prefer black because it can avoid some marks when you're using. If you are using in dust, something like that, it can at least cover some marks on it. If you like white, you can order it. So there is no issue in it. So let's see how the package is. The package is too good. I can see this package is very tight. It can avoid some any water accident, something like that, or during your delivery, your online delivery, it could avoid almost all damages during the package delivery. So let's see what we got on the box. Here we can see Oppo Enco W31 truly wireless headphones, and let's go on back side. We can see that every feature we are getting in this TWS. Binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission, obviously. Guys, this Bluetooth is using Bluetooth 5.0, they are mentioning here. And also this is coming with bass modes. We can discuss it in later. And also dual microphone noise cancellation during calls. This is a best feature, guys. Actually, noise cancellation they are promising, that is a best feature. And also wear detection, one of the top-notch feature. And intuitive touch controls, we'll test it once we get into this. And IP54 rated water and dust resistance. So I think this could be help us. So let's dive into it. And before going into the video, let's see the charging details here itself. They are mentioning music playtime 50% volume. They tested with a 50% volume music test. So then 3.5 hours they are getting on a single charge, and also with charging case they are getting 15 hours. That means, guys, they tested in their Oppo labs with a 50% volume. So they got these statistics. So when you are using in 100% or more than 50%, it could change. Okay. And also coming to the battery details, I think input charging case can be 5 volts and 1 ampere too. And the driver which is using inside it is 7mm dynamic driver. So I think all technical details they mentioned here clearly. We can see look inside, how it is looking inside the box, and how we got something inside this box, how the packing is. And let's unbox it. I hope it go well. So let's see. Okay, and we got something here too. So also let's, okay guys, so let's see. So guys, I hope this is top packing, and I think it cannot open like this because this is here. So I think I need to do something. Okay, there is no problem with that, guys. That is just a holder. We can open like this. See, you can see this. So wow, this is a nice packing. I like very much because very soft and there is no disturbances here, you can see. And let's see how this is. So I think I can open it like this or not, I don't know. Okay, oh, so this is the way. Yes guys, I got this. See, very smooth and very soft, very smooth and soft, and you can carry it everywhere because this is very small. Actually, this is very small and very good also. You can easily fit into your pocket majorly. So I like this because you should carry, when you are buying a TWS, you should consider the major thing is you can carry it with you or not. If answer is yes, that is a first tick mark in your TWS. So this is a package. You can see very nice package it is, and I think you liked it. I think you also liked it. Let's see, we'll get into this later. Let's see what we got other than this. See guys, we got, wow, we got a package here of a cable. This is a C-type cable, by the way. This is supporting C-type. I liked it. It's very strong. This is not damageable. This will not damage that easily. And so that's it, this side. And this side, what we got is, so extra earbuds. I think they're providing very less, guys. Let's see how they're providing. Oh, they are providing 2 sets as well as other brands. This is good. And let's see what we get inside this. See guys, we got a manual with it. I think it is a warranty card. I think it's a truly headphones and warranty card. You can see this is a warranty card. I hope you can see this. Yeah, warranty card. And let's keep it aside and let's see what is the things inside it. You can see this secondary microphone, ear tips, and indicator here, and also, so let's compare it. That is the best thing, I think. I hope. See, you can see this guys, this is a function key. So I think this can help you, the function button, to reset everything like that. This is a battery indicator, maybe every indicator it can be. So this is a battery indicator, earphones is inside or not, like that. And you can see microphones. These are the microphones they are showing. These are the microphones. And also when they are discussing about when they are saying about these things, let's see. So this a small tiny hole here is called a secondary microphone. Actually here it is a first primary microphone. And this is a ear tip. Obviously this is an ear tip. So that's all, guys. See guys, everything is good. See how good this design is. It can easily fit. And also you can see multiple sensors here. You can also see multiple sensors here. And also it can say this is a right one indication, and this is a left indication, and here also sensors are there. And I think this sensor is for the wear detection. This TWS have a beautiful features, guys. Actually, wear detection, noise cancellation, and I think a binaural microphone. I think binaural connection. That means at a time you will get a sound inside both one. That is the best feature. And moreover, this have a dual microphone. This is a secondary microphone, and this is a primary microphone. See guys, how many features we are getting. So let's see, let's pair it with some device and let's test it somehow. Let's keep aside these things. Let's keep these all things aside and let's test it with my phone actually. So you can see this is a whole website of these guys. If you want more details about this technically, actually I will plan a technical video on it. Do not worry about it, guys. I'll completely explain the technical details of these earphones, sorry, TWS, in a separate video. Let's wait for it and I'll go through it. Actually I need to use for some days to technical review it, so let's give me some time. So I'll come up with a new video on technical details of this product. So let's connect to this. So let's open it. I think I'll get in a more, see, when I opened it, actually I closed it. So the here Oppo Enco W31 you can see. So my device is refreshing now, available in available devices. So when it refreshed, there is no device. Once you open it, I think once you open it, then obviously you are getting immediately. That is the best thing. I liked it because immediate reaction should be there for every TWS. So let's click on it. So it is allowing access to your contacts and call history. Let's allow it. So could not pair with Oppo because I don't know why. Allow pair. So yeah, this is giving a message current device supports AAC codec, and however AAC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. Your device switch to SBC codec automatically. You can change this in the settings. So if you see my AAC settings gone, and if you want to enable it manually, go inside your settings of your earphones, TWS, then you can just simply enable it from here. Okay, just click OK. So next, I just closed it. Let's see it's got disconnected or not. Yes, immediately it got disconnected from my device. And also let's see, so I just opened and automatically my device got appeared here, and also automatically connected here. That is the best thing, guys. Open and pair. This is called instant pair feature in every TWS. They are coming up with nowadays. This is all about these guys. So I think you like this video, and please comment below if you want a complete technical review on it. And because technical reviews I can cover in separate video that could be very long, because this TWS is coming up with more technical features, and you can comment it below. I will definitely come up with. I hope you like this video really. Please subscribe, guys, for more reviews and more unboxing videos. Please do subscribe and comment your opinion on this. And also please let me know if you have any other doubts about Oppo Enco W31. So then I'll come up with a new technical review video actually. So I think you liked it. Let's see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.